Hello kids, how are you all? I know you all are fit and fine and doing great. And as you all know that our term 1 tests are soon going to start. So today we will be doing the revision of the chapter The Ant and the Dove. But before we start with the revision, there are few points I would like to discuss. That how you all are supposed to do your paper. First point, and very important, you have to write neatly and your work should be very clean. Yes. Second point, you have to write in a good handwriting. You have to write in a good handwriting using a dark pencil so that your teachers are easily able to understand your answers and they don't have any difficulty in checking your papers. Third, after doing the paper, you all are supposed to revise it. You all are supposed to revise that whether you have attempted the whole sheet or not, whether you have done all the questions or not. Yes, so after doing the whole test, make sure that you revise your answers. Number 4 point, you will not copy the questions, children. You will not copy the questions, you will only write the answers. You will only write the answers, but just make sure that you are writing the correct number. Yes, your answers should have the correct numbering, the numbers which are given in your question papers. You should be writing the correct numbering for each answer. Okay children, will you remember these points? Okay, now let us begin with the revision of the chapter The Ant and the Dove. Now children, let us revise true and false of the chapter The Ant and the Dove. Yes children, can you see on the screen there are two sentences. Now you have to decide whether the sentences are true or false. True means correct and false means incorrect. Since you all know the chapter very nicely, now you will decide for the answer. Yes, the first sentence says, a dove broke a leaf from the branch of a tree. Yes, a dove broke a leaf from the branch of a tree. Now you have to decide on your own whether the sentence is correct or incorrect. If it is correct, you will write true. If you think it is incorrect, then you will write false. The second sentence is, ant slipped and fell into the mud. Ant slipped and fell into the mud. Now let us see the correct answers, children. Yes, the first sentence is true. A dove broke a leaf from the branch of a tree. Yes, children, it is absolutely true. And the second sentence is, ant slipped and fell into the mud. It is false because ant slipped, that is true, but it fell into the spring. It fell in the water, not into the mud. So the second sentence is false. Now let us revise the fill in the blanks of the chapter. Yes, now think of an answer and yes, think of an answer in your mind. The first sentence says, to save the ant, a dove broke a dash from the branch of a tree. To save the ant, a dove broke a dash from the branch of a tree. And the second sentence is, the ant bit the hunter on his dash to save the dove. The ant bit the hunter on his dash to save the dove. Now let us see the answers. Yes, to save the ant, a dove broke a leaf from the branch of a tree. Yes, the dove broke a leaf from the branch of a tree to save the ant. Yes, and the second sentence, the answer is foot. Now the ant wanted to protect the dove from the hunter. So the ant bit the hunter on his foot. So the answer is foot. Okay. Now let us see the word meanings. Yes. Now word meanings are going to come in the form of match the following children. Yes, now you have to think which is the correct answer. For example, hunter. What is the meaning of the word hunter? So now whatever you think is the correct answer, you will put the correct numbering. Yes, now number A is written here, hunter. Yes, hunter. So what is the meaning of hunter? Hunter means a loud cry or a person who searches and catches the animals for food in a forest. What is the meaning of the word screamed? Now, screamed means a loud cry or a person who searches and catches the animals for food in a forest. So, if you think hunter means a loud cry, then in front of, yeah, the B, you always match from B to A. Yes, you match from B to A. A is written here. So a loud cry. If it means a loud cry, we always do number matching, children. Yep. So now a loud cry. If a loud cry means scream, you will write B here. Okay. Okay. Now let us see the answers. Hunter. Hunter means a person who catches the animals for food in a forest. So it is A. So I have written A, and to make it clear, I have written hunter. You can just write A also, or you may write hunter. It is all up to you, children. Screamed means a loud cry. So I have written B in front of this answer B. And I have written screamed to tell you more clearly that screamed means a loud cry. Okay, now let us revise question and answers. Children, you have to learn all the question and answers from the notebook, and very nicely you will have to learn the difficult spellings also and full answers. Nobody will write only one word answer. Who saw the ant drowning? You will not write a dove. Yes, you will have to write the full answer, otherwise, your marks will be deducted. So, who saw the ant drowning? A dove that lived on a nearby tree saw the ant drowning. So, we want to see full answer written. Okay, nobody is going to write only dove. Yes, I know you all know the answer. Who saw the ant drowning? Use a dove saw the ant drowning. No, but you will write the proper answer, children. Yeah. So this was the revision of the chapter The Ant and the Dove. So children, I hope you all have learned this chapter. Yes, you have to learn each and everything from the notebook. You have to learn the vocabulary words. They are very important because you need to learn the difficult spellings. Then you have to learn the word meanings. Then you have to learn the fill in the blanks and question answers from the notebook. Then you have to make sure that you are reading the chapter also, and you are reading the chapter thoroughly from your book. Will you do that, children? So all the very best for your term 1 test.